Hello, sports fans, and welcome to the Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football postgame show. I'm sorry I didn't have a chance to do it last night after the game, but I do apologize. But so we're going to do it right now. And, the Green Bay Packers came from behind and beat the Detroit Lions 23-22 at legendary Lambeau Field in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Aaron Rodgers has now won 5 straight Monday night games. And the Packers are 3-0 at home against division teams. And the Packers are down 13-10 to the Lions at halftime. And then the Lions scored kicked into the field goal in the third. And then the Packers, they came back, and it was 19 to, actually it was 20 to 19, and then the Lions came back. They get a field goal in the fourth. It was 22 to 19. And then Mason Crosby kicked the winning field goal, and the Packers won it 23 to 22, and they go to 5-1, and the Lions to 2-3-1. So, and time now to give out some game balls. Aaron Rodgers, 24 of 39 carries and attempts, 283 yards, 2 touchdowns. Jamal Williams, 14 carries, 104 yards, 1 touchdown. Aaron Jones, 11 carries, 47 yards. Alan Lazard, 4 receptions, 65 yards, 1 TD. And the man who kicked the winning field goal, Mason Crosby, 3 out of 3 field goals, 48 yards, 11 points. 5 game balls given out to the Packers. And next Monday night will be the Patriots and the Jets. We'll have a great Thursday night football game for you and a great Sunday night football game for you. And there were some controversial calls with the Lions. Now, what do you do if you're the Lions? And it was during the third and the fourth quarter. And the video of those calls is going to be sent to New York, and they're going to be reviewing that because I think the Lions had some calls that were lousy that should have gone their way, but you got to know, what do you do if you're the Lions? And I think those calls are going to be reviewed, and I think there's going to have to be a meeting with the Packers referees and also the Lions referees. And I think those calls could have gone differently, and I just feel that if you're the Lions, then then you're not happy with those calls, and those calls, it just did not go your way, and because you had a chance to win this one, and fans feel, and Lions, the media that covers the Lions games feel that the Lions should have won that game. So, but the Packers come away with the win, and my brother-in-law Eric Hoyle won this week's picks. He was 7-7, and I was 6-8. My brother-in-law Eric goes to 1-1-3, and I go to 2-1-3. So we'll see what happens next week. We'll see what happens. Actually, it should be 1-2-3 for Eric. I am sorry about that, Mr. Hoyle. So, we will see what happens. And now with the Browns, they're going into a bye week this week, so there won't be a game for the Browns. But the following week, after the Patriots play on Monday night, we've got the undefeated Patriots. And I feel we need to beat them, and they better practice hard for that game. So I feel that the Browns really need to win that game when they do play the Patriots. But I felt the Packers, they had struggled during the first half, but then they came back and they were able to come away with the win. And they by far get the win by 1 point. And because the Lions, they really wanted to win that one, and they just, I feel that they should have. And I NFL, those calls that were made, those controversial calls, are going to be checked out by NFL authorities in New York City. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted. Well, that's just about going to wrap it up for the Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football pregame show. I'll be back with the Thursday night with a regular podcast on Wednesday, and the Scott Sports 101 Thursday Night Football pregame and postgame show. And so until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day, in every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1, I'm done.